Last night, Bitcoin got the juiciest pump, spicier than, what are those peppers? Right, jalapenos. The question right now, is this pump legit or is it just pretending to be something it's not? A huge shout out to the Casper crew as we have taken the long trade literally from the exact bottom. This is the setup we gave yesterday in the Casper crew VIP Discord, walking through step by step the price action that occurred yesterday as I was looking for this exact thing to happen. And here we are breaking out of the flag, coming up to the next area of resistance. So what lies in store for Bitcoin today? We're going to be diving into that, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Let's start with what happened last week. The Bitcoin price came up to a very key area of resistance, none other than the area between the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, the 618, and the 786 level. And if you know anything about the 618 level, she is a girl named Six Juanita, my high school crush. I had a huge crush on this chick. I thought she was into me because she would laugh at my jokes, she would let me carry her books to class, all this kind of stuff, right? So I asked her out on a date. Guess what? I was in something called the friend zone. Didn't know the friend zone existed. Broke my heart. Look at this, a massive rejection right from that fib level. Well, we can see right here, we came up to this key fib level. And when we came up to that level, we actually found out why she didn't go out with me. She had a crush on another man. Because if we take a look at Market Cipher B, we can see as the price is getting higher, the momentum waves are getting lower over time, giving us the dreaded bald-headed Gary Gensler Market Cipher B pattern. This is a very bearish sign. As the price gets higher, the bald head gets lower. It gets more bald, it gets more gray, smile gets more and more photoshopped. Clearly, Six Juanita is digging this guy way more than your boy Jason Casper. So what happens? We get a rejection from that level. Now, we also have to understand the context of this market here, right? Because we have come down back inside the value area of the range, it becomes more probable than not that this downtrend that we've been in ever since Six Juanita ditched us for Gary Gensler, we can actually expect that it's more probable than not that we make our way back down to the bottom of the range, around 25.4, 25.5. What does that mean? That means right now I'm actually looking for a bit of a retracement and then another move to the downside. So the question becomes, where are we going to retrace to? Because price never moves straight up and straight down. We can see a down a lot, up a little, down a lot, up a little, down a lot. Are we going to get up a little and then down a lot? Well, let's discuss. First of all, what do we have on the chart right now, right above us? If we zoom into the 15-minute time frame, we can see that we have this extremely high volume node. We have this range that we traded from Thursday, September 21st, all the way to Sunday, September 24th. If we go ahead and we pull the volume that was in this range, we can see that we have a very, very high volume node coming up just above us, right about here at 26.5. And I would say that between 26.5 all the way up to the liquidity above these highs, we have a very, very important zone of resistance. So if we're actually looking for this to simply be a retracement before we get another move to the downside, we need to keep our eyes open for some bearish signs on the chart. The most important thing we need to understand about trading is that we cannot control which direction the price moves. People always ask me, Jason, are we going to go up from here or down from here? And my answer is always the same. It depends. We cannot know for sure which direction the price is going to go. The only thing we can control as traders is to understand where are the key levels of support and where are the key levels of resistance, and then plan for how we're going to enter a trade if price comes to one of our levels with certain confirmations on the chart. This is how I trade. This is how I give setups in the Casper crew. When we gave the short from the exact high, when we gave the swing long from the exact bottom, you can see we're looking for specific things on the chart. If we don't see those things, we don't take the trade. So what am I going to be looking for as we come up into this box? So I'm going to be looking for a pattern on Market Cipher B known as the bearish upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern. This is a pattern on Market Cipher B where as the price gets higher into key resistance, Sam Bankman-Fried is hanging upside down. His man boobs are getting lower over time. Look at the left side, big and voluptuous. He does decline bench press all day, left side only, right side very, very skinny. Money flow also getting lower. We want to see on Market Cipher B, as the price is coming up into that box, we want to see the momentum waves getting lower over time, and we want to see this blue money flow also getting lower over time, telling us that indeed we are not going to break out above this key area of resistance. And so if we see our good friend SBF hanging upside down by his knees with his crooked breasticles, as we come up into the box, well, then, in my opinion, we can actually look for a short trade, and we could look to short Bitcoin down to our final target, which we had on the chart of about 25.5 to 25.4, a beautiful 4-to-1 risk-reward ratio. And by the way, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and altcoins, I highly recommend you check out my favorite exchange, MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% take your order fees, the best deal in the world, especially if you are scalping and trading the lower term timeframes. Also, guys, if you want to join the Casper crew community, where we literally gave the long from the exact bottom that you see on your screen right here. Boom, look at that juicy entry, man. Then they say TA doesn't work. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord group. This is where we do multiple live streams every single day, giving you our setups, giving you our levels. We have instructors in here, a whole beginner section to help you get off your feet if you are new. And if you want full education, check out the courses. Right now, we are proud to announce White Phoenix's Smart Money Approach to Trading, the most comprehensive course for trading out there right now. If you are a member of the Casper crew, he will take $200 off the price. Definitely recommend it if you are new or struggling. Links to all these things, guys, in the pinned comment and the description. So we are waiting for Bitcoin to come a little bit higher here to see, are we going to reject from this high volume node, or are we not going to see upside down SBF, and are we going to keep pumping to much higher prices? Once again, guys, it really depends on what we see on the chart. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody watching in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!